Matt Justice here for Tackle Trading. Just want to do a little bit of a Forex video. We had a lot of news come out on Friday over the weekend that Mario Draghi wants to do quantitative easing again, or start it, I should say, for the EU. Germany isn't happy about that. One of the reasons why, this is one of the reasons why I love trading currencies because this information is going to have an impact to the stock market tomorrow. It's going to have an impact to the options market tomorrow. It's going to have an impact out there in the global marketplace. But if the only thing you're doing is trading in the currency market, there's really nothing you can do about it. Excuse me, if you're just trading in the stock market, there's nothing you can do about it. But if you're trading in the currency market, you can do a whole lot about it. Well, one of the things so that's one of the reasons why you want to trade currencies is so that you can hedge against any potential risk. Another reason is the markets open up on Sunday instead of on Monday, and so it gives you another day of trading out there as well. And so when I'm looking at the market today, I'm saying, okay, I'm getting ready to teach Master Trader for Rich Dad Education tonight and doing my weekly routine. I'm looking at the market, and part of that is looking at the currency market. Well, on Friday, I had went short euro, US dollar, coming into the close on Friday. So I entered into a trade kind of on this breakdown right here on the euro, specifically because I was going to carry it through the weekend because I was anticipating some negative news coming out on the euro, and I was anticipating this trend to continue to go down. So I was short euro on Friday at the close. And coming into the open today, all of a sudden we see this movement here. I mean, just a ridiculous gap in price all the way back down, all the way down into here. I mean, it gapped down, and currencies don't gap a lot, but it gapped down about 60 points or 60 pips, which means I was up probably around $600-700, something along those lines, because I trade standard lots. That's typically what I trade, and so as you can see, this is one standard lot. That's my typical position size in the currency market. So I'm up $600 or $700 at the open. It then starts to go down, and I'm up right at and I'm sitting here watching it. I'm trying to lock in profit is what I'm trying to do, and I'm up $1,000, $1,200, $1,300, $1,500, and this is a 1 minute chart. Literally within the first 2 to 3 minutes from the open, I'm up $1,500, and I'm trying to get out, but it's moving so wicked up and down, just dramatically up and down. I can't get filled. Finally, I got filled at about, I think it was about $1,000 profit, about a 50% return in it was about 3.5 minutes is what it took. And so I was watching, and I was okay. I'm going to wait for that retracement. It came back into that same level right there, and I had a downward movement in price right here, and all of a sudden it drives back down. It starts to doji here. I'm like, all right, I'll do it again. And lo and behold, boom, got that little huge movement down in 1 minute, right down to there. And I closed it within 1 minute. I was in the trade probably 45 seconds, made another right around $300. Okay, just about it's about 12% return on a standard lot. And so it comes back in to do the same thing. And so as you can see, I'm hitting it again. And if I'm ultimately wrong here, I'm going to just get out. If it goes right up above that level right there, I'll get out. If not, I'll lock in profit as it comes back down. And so every time it hits into that level right here at it's about at 1.1942. Every time it gets into that level, I'm just going to hit it again and hit it again and hit it again until ultimately I'm wrong. And if I'm wrong on this time, I'm perfectly fine with that. There's not a problem with that because I'll lose a little bit of money, but I've been successful on the prior two ones. So I'm basically playing with the house's money, and I'm up, maybe 2 or 3 pips right now. Nothing much, about break even right now. So we're just going to kind of watch that trade, and if it gets back down into this level, I'll take it off again, and then it'll come back up, and I'll hit it again, and I'll just do that over and over and over again until I get bored, have something to do, or teach Master Trader later tonight. You've been listening to Matt Justice for Tackle Trading, coming to you live from the currency market and looking at the euro dollar pair here. Check us out at the website www.tackletrading.com. Love trading currencies. It's an easy tradable instrument. It's just a very aggressive tradable instrument. So you really want to ensure that your position size is very low. Like I said, I only trade a standard lot, and even sometimes when I do like the go to bed trade, I won't even do a standard lot on that. I'll do like a half of a standard lot, which is technically a mini contract. So we don't put a lot into currency trades, but they are just so fun to trade. And I know that each and every one of you can make this part of your routine, part of your arsenal of trading over there at Tackle Trading in the course of 2015. And I challenge everybody this year, learn how to trade currencies. Currencies are an amazing tradable instrument. It's a highly technical tradable instrument. It's open up 24 hours a day. It's a great hedging tradable instrument. It's a great day trading vehicle. It's a great swing trading vehicle. And it's a great way to protect against long-term risk to the US dollar. Although that long-term risk, as you guys have seen in my projections, are not this year. I fully expect the dollar to have a very good year throughout the year. And as you can see, we're kind of coming at this live now. Let me process that. As you see, it kind of tested into that, kind of just hanging out, just going to watch it a little bit. Maybe I'll place a stop loss there, and we'll see kind of what happens over the course of the next few minutes, see if I can make another successful trade. Check us out once again, www.tackletrading.com. We'll see you next time.